Alrighty, this is Ian here. I'm at 8413 137th Lane, Seminole, Florida 33776. I'm going down the guest bathroom or hall bathroom. Actually, I guess this would be considered the main. There's a main bathroom and then there's a half bath in the garage. So I'm going down the main bathroom and we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and mute myself. If I see anything out of the ordinary, I will stop it and we'll talk about it. Just so we know, this is not out of the ordinary. This is common. There's usually a lot of bugs inside the line. That's your lab sink tying in. That is most likely where the toilet ties in. I'm gonna have to try to skip past this. Alrighty, made it. We're having a little bit of a tough time getting past this bend here. All right. I'm gonna try to shake this off of here. Okay, I just pulled it back out, I cleaned the head off, put it back down. I have a tough time getting through that section. It looks like the toilet and the shower all tie in right at like the bottom of the vent stack there and drop us into the main line, and it's not exactly the easiest to get past it. Cast iron does look a little rough around the edges here. There's quite a bit of buildup around it. Elbow here. And we are getting into the newly replaced sewer line here. I think it's kind of tough to see, but there is a tie-in, I believe, right at this elbow. Oh, there we go. We just kind of skip past it right here. But that's coming from the kitchen and the other bathroom. I'm going to switch over to that vent stack. We'll check that out and see what it looks like. Alrighty, we're back on here. over at the other vent stack. Just for reference here, that smaller vent stack over there is the one I just went down, and now I'm going down this guy. See what it looks like. Some more creepy crawlies. Scoot these guys out of the way here. There's a sink tie-in. Now I'm flipping the camera back and forth side to side, and there's a tie-in on both sides. So my guess, since the kitchen is tied into this as well, is that you have the kitchen tying in on one side, and you have the lav sink from the bathroom tying in on the other. 1 and 2. Go past this. We should drop directly into the main. Probably a toilet coming from the left there. Let's see if I can get to make this curve. There we go. Flip so we don't get confused here. The bottom right now is the top side, and the top side is the bottom, so we're going to flip this around. There you go. I'll go back so you can see it all. So the bottom of the pipe is a bit smoother, because it's had water flowing through it for so long. Top side's never really seen anything go past it. Still pretty rough around the edges. That is your tie-in from the other side of the house that we went through earlier. So we should have about 5-10 feet here. We'll hit PVC again. There we have it. Drop right into our new PVC line, and we'll go down and check this out. This is what you want it to look like. Nice and smooth. No settling water. Alrighty, so clean out test tee, and there is the city clean out right there. And I believe they tied it right into clay. Just want to make a note of that. There is a bit of a separation on the city side. They used a, looks like they used a fern coat to join the green pipe to the clay, and there's a good inch separation there. It could just be a part of the fern coat they used. Just want to make a note of that one. It's pretty level with the other pipes. I don't see it causing any issues. If there was like a lip right there, then I'd be a little more concerned about it. But since that's all pretty level with each other, I don't see it getting snagged on it. I just pushed past it, no problem. So, alrighty, there you have it. That's the sewer line. Cast iron under the house, all new PVC outside, and cast iron is a little rough around the edges. Might be a good thing to consider jetting. I didn't see any cracks, I didn't see any bellies, so jetting it out would make it smooth again, and I definitely suggest doing that. Alright, I'm going to conclude this here.